Welcome to AI Business School, the premier destination for ambitious entrepreneurs, especially hardworking parents dreaming of becoming their own boss. We understand the challenges of juggling family, work, and aspirations, which is why our platform is tailor-made with you in mind. Imagine a place where you can access cutting-edge AI knowledge, tools, and strategies, all designed to fit into your busy schedule, ensuring you never miss a beat with your loved ones. For just the cost of your daily cup of coffee, our Master AI for your online business course offers unparalleled benefits. Dive deep into the world of AI and discover its transformative power in the business realm. As we stand on the brink of a technological revolution, AI is set to create more millionaires than any previous generation has witnessed. And the best part? With the AI-driven methodologies we teach, we promise to be by your side every step of the way, guiding, supporting, and ensuring your success. Join AI Business School today and be part of the future of entrepreneurship.